So it fed my ADHD perfectly. But this is just me.
Hmm.
And जो लोग मतलब शो को रेगुलरली सुनते हैं, they understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
But the goal of both Kriya Yoga and YSS and the goal of Mantra Sadhana and I think the goal of every faith in the world is जो self realization कहते हैं, enlightenment, nirvana. वही है मेरा goal.
And do you feel people who are very driven, like financially, or people who are very driven, you know, जिनको बहुत चाहिए, that's a bad energy?
No, yeah.
You know how these are, can they get a lot of times this is a very like very popular opinion, how that people who are very driven in life, you know, they're not very good people.
not at all. No.
Why is that?
Why does that opinion exist?
नहीं, why do people are like that?
आई फील कि हर सोल की एक खुद की जर्नी होती है और गोइंग थ्रू मटीरियल प्लेजर्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कमिंग टू अ स्पिरिचुअल कंक्लूजन.
That you have to. Okay.
और यही सवाल मैंने बहुत सारे मंक से भी पूछा है कि मटीरियल डिज़ायर्स होते ही क्यों हैं फिर किसी के दिमाग में. तो उन्होंने कहा ताकि वो उन मटीरियल डिज़ायर्स को एक्सपीरियंस करे और फिर पता चले कि इनमें भी कुछ नहीं पड़ा.
And you feel that's true?
Yes, when you experience spiritual pleasures.
Okay. ठीक है.
Which is literally like.
So I have definitely experienced, the reason I was asking you this, okay, there have been a lot of times when, you know, sometimes you buy a new car or you buy a new piece of clothing or you buy a new watch, kuch aisa. And I'm not saying, let's say when you're 25, 24, 23, you buy a regular car and you really like it. That would give you high for a few months, will give you high for a year or two. But your second car doesn't give you as much high. Your third car doesn't give you, and your fourth car doesn't give you any high. Similarly with clothes or property or watches, right? So I do understand कि materialism ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਰਸ ਮੁੱਕ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇੱਕ certain point ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ. Some people are so poor that all they have is money. कुछ लोग इतने गरीब हैं उनके पास सिर्फ पैसा है, कुछ और कुछ है ही नहीं. But I feel if it's not there, you know, when they say I'd rather cry in a Lamborghini than, you know, that opinion also stays. कि अगर इसमें रस नहीं है भाई, मैं I don't want to go back to my life. So you answered my question that if you have experienced the spiritual pleasure, then it will make sense कि यहाँ रस क्यों नहीं है. But for somebody like myself who is ADHD, or leave aside ADHD, somebody who hasn't really, the closest to spirituality that I have been is I believe in God now. You know, growing up I didn't believe in God. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੱਲਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੀ ਰੱਬ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ there are times ਜਦੋਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਮੂਲ ਮੰਤਰ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾਠ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆ, that kind of calms your nervous system down. And you feel कि आप किसी ऐसी presence में हो जहाँ आपको कोई hurt नहीं करेगा. And I'm not saying physical hurt, but you just feel कि ਤੁਸੀਂ, you know, you're in that space. But for somebody who, and I don't think this is me experiencing spirituality at all. This is just me being in a different energy altogether. That's it. How do you feel? Because how do you think, what's the first step for anybody? Because I've seen a lot of, you know, short form contents of you know, talking about spirituality, talking about very intellectual people who are practicing that, or who are, you know, completely surrendered themselves to spirituality. What's the one basic thing? Okay, how can you do this? How can you enter? For somebody like me, what's your way in?
Honestly, I feel कि ये वेट ट्रेनिंग से बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर है कि पहला महीना में बहुत मुश्किल रहेगा. डॉम्स, डिलेड ऑनसेट मसल सिंड्रोम, कि आपके बाइसेप्स हर्ट करने लगते हैं, आपका आर्म खुलता नहीं. द सेम थिंग हैपेंस. 1 month ड्रैग योरसेल्फ.
In
20 minutes ऑफ मेडिटेशन डेली. और सबसे ईजी मेडिटेशन चांटिंग मेडिटेशन होती है आपके खुद के फेथ की. हर रिलीजन के खुद के मेडिटेशन होते हैं. तो वॉट एवर यूर कनेक्टिंग विद, बेसिक मेडिटेशन ओम चांटिंग होते हैं. एक जगह बैठ के पीठ सीधी करके ब्रीथ इन थ्रू योर नोज, प्रोसेस योर थॉट्स एज इट कम्स. एट सम पॉइंट थॉट्स रुक जाएंगे.
Isn't that scary though? 20 minutes being with yourself.
It's like a very quiet brain orgasm. Very quiet.
And it's always people who are high achievers, they are seeking this.
Yeah, because the achievements feel empty.
coming
keep
back to what
achieving more.
how this conversation started, right?
Yeah.
Because they are looking for answers outside. Once they've achieved everything, they feel यार इच ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਜਵਾਬ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਫ ਵੇਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਇਸ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਭ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੇ.
I'd asked, I can't remember who, I think it was a Bhagavad Gita episode, और मैंने ये सवाल पूछा था कर्मा के बारे में फिर, कि हम जी रहे क्यों, कमा क्यों रहे हैं. आई थिंक गौरंगादास प्रभु ने कहा था कि 2 टाइप के कर्मा होता है. एक कर्मा आपके मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से रिलेटेड होता है, एंड यू इम्प्रूव इट बाय टेकिंग केयर ऑफ पीपल अराउंड यू, सोशल वर्क, सेवा. द अदर काइंड ऑफ कर्मा इज जस्ट प्राइवेट टू योर ओन सोल्स जर्नी, और उसे आप सिर्फ मिटा सकते हो मेडिटेशन के दौरान या मंत्र साधना के दौरान, विच इज़ वाई एवरी फेथ सेज कि सिमरन करने बैठो या जस्ट सिट इन आइसोलेशन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली इट हेल्प्स योर मटीरियल लाइफ ऑल्सो. तो आई फील कि इफ you and me are not born in a monastery, that's also for a reason. We're born in our own families because we have to go through this material journey. But if at the end of our lives we are still thinking about it, maybe then that's a problem.
Getting off the roller coaster is equally important as getting on the roller coaster.
But again, ये मेरा खुद का perspective है based on the podcast, based on the books I've read. Everyone has their own subjective definition. The strong lesson I've learned in the last 2-3 years is जितनी judgment कम हो सके उसे कम कर दो. Like, don't judge anyone. Even if I see someone and I feel they're doing something spiritually wrong, that's also spiritual ego. वो भी नहीं जज कर. I don't judge a drug addict also. हर किसी की जर्नी है. It's fine. Doesn't matter. And जितनी ज़्यादा आप जजमेंट का भाव कम करोगे, उतना कम आप खुद को जज करोगे. It's almost like you loosen up on yourself. It's a much more easygoing reality.
पर लेकिन दूसरे को जज ना करके अपने आप को बंदा जज कम कैसे करता है? रोल रिवर्स नहीं हो गया पॉडकास्ट में करने लगा.
I feel कि at least this is what I have experienced कि पालगा रिनपोचे नाम के बुद्धिस्ट मंग आए थे. उन्होंने कहा कि reducing judgment is one of the goals of human life, and if you want to reduce judgment, replace judgment with curiosity. कि अगर किसी को भी जज करो for whatever, ugly, poor, distracted, try understanding the story that made them ugly, poor, distracted.
The fear of unknown is terrible. So a lot of hate comes from unknown.
Yeah. And I think judgment is an excuse to escape your own mind.
True, 100%. वो baggage हल्का हो जाता है ना.
कि नहीं, I'm better than that person at least. That's what gossip is also about.
Yeah. You feel good about yourself just because you found a flaw in somebody.
Yeah.
And you can say.
Yeah. This is the reason gossip exists. To just make yourself feel chilled out.
Chilled out, true.
But yeah, since I've stopped engaging in this, I'm not perfect at all. Very flawed person. Yeah.
But see, being aware is very important. See, it's not that we won't be making mistakes. Just knowing that, yes, I can. But like, I have to take ownership and I have to be responsible enough to be aware that I have to be better.
Yeah. It's too much judgment and pain in the world. You shouldn't add more to it. So just chill out. Add chilling out vibes to the world.
Yeah.
Chill out with yourself.
Yeah.
वो मेरी mentality है.
I don't want to bring it up, पर मैंने ऐसा लगता है कि I'm pretty sure like you obviously probably would never open up exactly what you've been through. Exactly, there's a side of you that you would share. I know that. I feel that. But like keeping your self intact, keeping your innocence intact, that's very important. And I think, I don't know how you have, but I like how you've still, maintained yourself, and you're in a good space. And it's not easy, I know, even though you make it look very easy. There's a lot of pieces broken inside you.
Thank you.
But I wish you all the love, man. You're doing so well, man.
Thank you. मीश भाई, अब आने वाले 50 सालों में शायद 10-15 और पॉडकास्ट करेंगे साहब. Thanks for the first one.
No, thank you so much for having me, bro. It's so nice to meet you, man.
Just wanna travel with you somewhere, bro. I don't know in what capacity, where, but genuinely at some point I want to travel with you. Some kind of hike. That's
I've
what my
never
heart is.
traveled, bro.
Oh, really?
I've never traveled, and I remember having this conversation with a very dear friend of mine one day. I was like, I always fantasize about going on a holiday, but I've never been to one. I've never been on a holiday.
Never been on a holiday?
Yeah. I mean, I recently went to Goa for my birthday for 2 days, if that's a holiday. But like, ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਤੋਂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਉਦੋਂ ਸੋਚਦਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੁਛ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਫਿਰ ਹੌਲੀਡੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਜਦੋਂ ਬਣ ਗਏ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਛ ਆ ਬਣਨ ਲਈ, ਪਰ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਦੇ ਹੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ. I love to. I lived in Australia, but I never really traveled. I lived there for so many years. I'd love to travel one day, maybe.
It's crazy to me.
Do you travel a lot?
I mean, a lot. Healing, it's content. It's...
ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ.
ਕਿਉਂ?
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ.
Some childhood thing?
ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
You feel like you're wasting time?
ਹਾਂ. ਐਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ. पर ਐਵੇਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਹੈ. ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮੁਝੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕੰਮ ਇਟਸ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ, ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੀਏ. ਦੇਰ ਆਰ ਲੋਟ ਆਫ ਰਿਸਪੋਂਸਿਬਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼, ਦੇਰ ਲੋਟ ਆਫ ਪੀਪਲ ਵਿਦ ਮੀ. ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਲੈਣ ਦਿੰਦੀ.
ਮੇਬੀ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਵਿਦ ਸਪਿਰਿਚੁਅਲ ਪਰਪਸ, ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੈੱਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ.
ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀਰੇ, ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ, क्योंकि मैंने पता कि मेरा एक दोस्त है, ही इज़ वेरी स्पिरिचुअल. तो वो हमेशा मुझे कहता है कि यार परमीश तेनों एक ही चीज़ बचा सकती है, स्पिरिचुअल. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू, क्योंकि बाकी चीज़ें तो मैं अनलॉक कर लिया, ये चीज़ मैं नहीं छेड़ी.
I think you're the kind of guy, and I'm not just saying that because but you're spiritual without calling it that. Mindset, all these things, discipline, endurance, self-awareness. This is actually what practical spirituality is. Everything else is layers built on top of this. Kya hai meditation? Kya? It's basically discipline in motion. Sitting in one place, forcing yourself to sit. It's weight training for the mind. So I think you're already doing a lot, but yeah, I mean, I would point you towards spiritual travel. I think that shifts a lot. That shifts a lot in personality. Autobiography of a Yogi ki ek quote hai, and I highly recommend reading that book to everyone. It's a great starting. Not बहुत मुश्किल book है. But once you get past the first 4 chapters, world unlocks.
Okay.
But उसकी main quote ये है, not main, बहुत सारे quotes हैं. मेरी personal favorite quote ये है कि irrespective of how difficult your today is, your tomorrow will be easier through meditation. And that helps at the lowest moments, where even the vision dies. जो मेरे साथ हुआ कि beyond discipline, beyond endurance, beyond vision, but there was nothing left. वो higher consciousness का state था.
ठीक है जी. Autobiography of a Yogi.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
उस book में power.
I'll message you once I finish that book.
Yeah. Do you have it at home?
No.
Okay. No. I've kept some copies for friends, so I'm going to give you the book.
Oh, geez, thank you. फिर तो पढ़नी पैनी है.
Okay. Great podcast number 1.
Thank you so much, bro. Thanks for having me. Wishing you
मजा
all
आ गया. Thank you. Just man, this whole podcast has felt like a hug.
Thank you.
And
bro.
that's what I felt the first time I saw you.
Thank
like
you,
just thank you, bro. Like
And
genuinely.
shout out to Karan.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have met, right?
Mazla bhai.
Yeah.
Very, very glad that day happened. Same built kind of conversational dynamic with Bacha bhai as well.
Yeah.
So felt like I met all my elder bros that day.
Cheers, man.
Felt good, bro. Thank you for everything, man.
Thank you for having me, bro.
And first of many. That's what I'll say. Thank you, bhai.
Thank you.